Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we have solar powered wireless security camera kit. It's solar camera D1 classic kit. This is from AOSU. Let's go ahead and look what we have inside the box. It's a nice representation when you first open the box. And we have two stickers and quick guides. We have two cameras. Here is the camera. It's 360. Look at how it is so quiet while turning. And here is the area if you want to charge it. And the solar panel is already embedded and antennas. Here is the second camera. And I forgot to mention, let me go ahead and open this area. Turn it on and off, and reset button. Speaker. I'm not gonna turn it on right now. Ethernet cable. AC adapter for charging USB-C cables. Mounting tools. First of all, we're gonna mount this on the wall and then insert it. We have the screws, and these are the guides for mounting it to the wall. And this is the home base. There is USB, power, and Ethernet cable. It's very small, and we have speaker. It's basically syncing the device with this button. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug everything in and test everything.
Hello.
Now it's on. And let me go ahead and look at the other one. It's calibrating. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on also.
Hello.
Now it's on. Alright, we got the Ethernet cable, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Let's see. Now it's working. It's solar camera. Yes, I did that. I already heard hello. Now it found it. Okay, it found both of the cameras. Done. No cloud service right now. Very smooth. Right there. And the quality is awesome. What about the other one? This is the other one. Let's see. PTZ. See, there is no lagging or anything. Like that. What about the light? Okay. Light is also good. and motion tracking. There is motion tracking if it sees someone like that. I'm gonna go ahead and walk. Let me see. See, just tracking my motion. This is the best feature for these cameras. Okay. What else? Let's go ahead and look at the settings. When you look at the settings, there's motion detection, detection sensitivity, human only or everything, auto alarm, and when you do the auto alarm, and all day, video, audio, 2K mode or smooth mode. Right. You can share the device, basically choose and put the email and send it. It works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. And if you want to see all the devices, basically you can see 4 cameras together. As you see, however you wish. See, if you want to go into the camera, you're just gonna press over there, and that's it. There is another thing. You can use away mode, only 1 click, or home, 1 click. You can turn off the devices and turn on the devices with 1 click easily, or you can choose the device you want to turn it off. See, these are all of my cameras, and we're gonna go ahead and test it out. All right, I put one of the cameras right there. And right now, it is tracking my motion. See. Right now I'm outside and we're gonna see some of the features. It's Ultra HD. It is not using internet connection between the home base and the camera. Right now it is tracking my motion. See, no matter where I go, it is just tracking. Right there. Yep. Whoa, it's too loud. And I put the other one right there for testing purposes. We're gonna go ahead and look at the quality when I turn off the lights. I put one outside right there, Ultra HD, and the other one in my backyard. If I was using only internet connection, there will be a late maybe, but right now there is no late response because I'm using home base. Let me turn on the light. Everything is good. You can see everything. Let me make it full screen. Okay, let me turn off the light. It's night light. Yep, that's it. It's very windy outside. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video.